comment nkwa ana me efa enti oba na wabonkomo na afia hwese na niema ebesi akomrepam no mejebre eni adaje na akenkan amamafo hwese na niema ebesi akọ ewo sa dwumedia ye di eja ono so na mu yekenkan ni chema mere fi Bernard Padibotwe ono so etachiri pa betwe fompen fada ma wo de betwe na etachiri pa mo da se ubetini ato betwe ni dia o play pick 5 o select 5 matches results correctly na utimi ewini a 10,000 Ghana cedis na sabeti aka o play pick 15 na o select 15 matches results up to 1.6 million me pacho for a mega 10 million play losses no one select 7 correct score line and ubetini san bomo disca bufu take a shot and at being the next betway billionaire bomo dia da www.betway.com.gh register now only betway phone pay for needs also me pacho o betia bet the responsible way na betway na for the love of the game bomo dia da so do ubetini san jime beboa e ma niama etia tutu ye e di amount betway and etechira boa e me dwumedi kesi etia bro King City Estate for eden shesha son kwenti amount ya ma 10% discount any air size of air service plot how piano King City for betia boa e ma niama etia kwedi amount the Royal City overstay the Royal City site na a 10 minutes drive after Central University College odwani echema o get access to potable water and open one light post or electricity post or site no so roads no very good and have a good drainage system and have a tight security bambo onsem ya yiri mu pumping se do no ni ti ene to unya ba bi anfanfa shops and a clinics and so honum but modern da say uye ni instant payment dia unya 10% discount na watimi edin share so connect yan sapem so na mu se koba se odin share ni 8 sapem so dia utua na abosome makoma ko ba sinsia entema yemfa interest bia ento so ma me ba cho obetenya sase no as low as 8,000 Ghana cedis mesel to Trimika for ni chire mu King City wo madama on ma sa 10% discount na aboa emani nso nya sase for ni chire mu Ashford Junction ewo first floor Kumoji Plaza along the Wenya Road on Sabetia Ken Obetia Fain 0508-199-624 0508-199-624 na ne penfo ntwetwen komo kingcityghana.com o madama ye King City Real Estate Limited number 1 destination for property buyers but modiada so do woni betua sache eboa e ma niam atia kwedi ama ye Valentine na bay o hage o boy no hage ni ye kwa beka so hage ni yenti woni wajai mesel but modiada Valentine o pese odi no kwani asaso dia Asempa 94.7 FM and dia Asempa FM Valentine trivia quiz na 18 bro o de woni 18 sache be de nyame adoma ladies time mavis amano transia or the quiz na betia jaw ultimate sports money show so Ghana fokojo de bejaw na started from the 9th of February and kopim yawoda 14th of February 2019 Valentine trivia quiz and a promotion and yede ebro so do hu betia sache mti bomodian da so betia sache no so me pacho Luraf Hotel for Techi and afi give us cool capsules and give us power capsules on Techi and a fire saver so etechi na afen so eye ayare sewura Herba Research and Clinic so etechi and Nazarene Jewelry for etechi and afen so eye Sylvester Natural Shea Butter so etechi and afadonko atadwen ginger and so aba and bees na aba so etechi amo eboa ema edison shason kwen 18 sanjant modiada Valentine's Day person need dia na kwenya anabeda ho so obetimi de ho 18 sanjim nyame adoma music awards nomination so betia sa akoso we 3 music awards nomination na dwumedie no ohwemu dia na se utinu to Joy FM, Hit FM and afi Joy Prime TV and afi 3 music awards nominees no wo de Sanchez on creative sapem so na no 1st of February 2019 and Sanchez on creative Sanchez ultimate sampa nyame adoma dwumedie no 3 music awards no represent ohwemu a Joy FM ho, Hit FM ho, Joy Prime ho, Joy Prime TV eginam and supported by Adum FM and then Adum TV and Joy News and afi Asempa FM and myjoyonline.com who following at 3 music awards Joy FM, Hit FM and then Joy Prime TV across social media for further details 3 music awards no me pa chop modiada so do between inside Jimwe 3 music awards 2019 at the biggest stage and here can for the amount so do hujima and also between sabwa and when who send niama AC across in terms of entertainment na boa e ma biati to ye at the amount na Adom TV Ghana's number 1 TV station and they would win 8 between Sachima for 2 years in a row, 2017-2018, Adom TV has been the most watched and preferred TV station in Ghana. Now, Ohesan Nema Ese Kwa, me pacho possibility na yewo ano man Ahesa, me pacho thank you for the passion. Wode ehwe TV no. Na Ohesan na Shani Ese Kwa, yebeko so a edi odoso nko etiansa so mo. Yaka Ghana kasa papa ewe edwumadi ahodo eguso edimu na boa ema nema etiansa kwa dia man. Bomodi ada se obetimi ede wani etiansa chim na yeda wase se oye number 1 ewe edwumadi eguso edimu. 2019 is going to be more exciting. Keep watching Adom TV. More innovative and educative programs. Adom TV yo azeoye. Omadama wo so etachiri pa ane de sanche so queen 18 bro na wo sana niam AC Echo awutwumedi eguso edino. Adom FM odo lastic Valentine 2019 odo lastic Adom odo no we will be on mountain sampa emuntwe nti etia wa we odo lastic Valentine 2019 na uhwema nese no so ebe de weekend bra ni na ehwemum ehwese na hye ebisi akọ awutwumedi no so ebetiansa piem no hye so ma me se Valentine's Day no ana no so ebi kwenya emede sanche so kwetia bro me pacho work and happiness any of you kwan so utie Adom 106.3 FM a obenya chance of winning na aboa emaniema etia kwedi amount Jumedi bia wodi wintino ye started Jumedi we so February 8 nyame adom efiada ana sanche so kwi betia koso obetia send WhatsApp e dia 0248286324 0248286324 na no mpemfo tien sendings also na Marina Mall ultimate shopping experience ana Royal Neck Hotel for business and pleasure, TCL, the creative life, and I feel so Oscapa Hotel, and I feel so Kwano, Aerostar Local, so many Techabwa, Emma Yedi Adom FM Odolastic Valentine 2019, Adom FM Odolastic Valentine 2019, Jumedino, Eddie Abreu, na Huma, there's a winner, Valentine promotions, and also 18 Saturday FM Valentine, Ado 4 that's on Kukra, in Eddie Hubajim, na Via Hesanema, ABC Akos Oho, na Color Party 2019 you median so ebede color party me pa chop modiada wo hwe Adom FM uti Adom FM na sa uti Asempa FM na wo hwe Adom TV na bomodiada so do betian sa jim we another exciting edition of the Adom color party me pa chop wo hwe sa senisi kwa me pa chop we ebe ba kwa emu ebeda ho pa ye ma attractive packages ewum ye oboludu oware ndame ene ho konia ba bre bouncy cast ba wo dia mankola no cooking competition betian sa koso o favorite Adom FM presenters no ebetimi eteki ebenya picture moment with you na etwa picture I selfie ne ho videos ho konia ba na boa emaniema etia kwedi ma bomodian da so do betian sa gym na oba so a obenya kwenya no answer questions be di prices bebre bits of fridge fans and afi so air flash screens TVs no and afi phones laptops any hye bebre nyame adoma memeda 23rd of February 2019 ewo Afua Sutherland Children's Park ye na dia ni betian sa gym akobua ematwumedi etia kwe from 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. Me patrol is absolutely free and you take kusimpo akapra na kwanyo kra ewo sa dwumedi mu o show favorite presenter color na do ni etian sa chim bomodi ada say Adom color party no o do ni betian sa chim na obeboa ama nhye na tia kwe na Mambo Bitters etechiro se berema ene berema and afi Franco Trading Enterprise King City Real Estate for DBS Roofing Sheet for Papa's Pizza say taste it you just love it and afi Mighty Power Tonic for tonic power bar Oba Spaghetti and so techiro say tastes great and delicious na afi Bell ointment I'll say beautiful skin beautiful family o madama womina and etechabwa emedicine so queen etmejaw yes every crebe called the preface of the show asante matemagudim ensem keka bright yebo tela BYT papa yi ewama no so yemfa mugui emfa no iwia na odenkomo a okitafi asante matem no asanjan. Okay, in the say ana essay crew bright yebo atela BYT yemwadwo obreni yenkwe
Wala to me Jobia so now where you me the power say Adum FM or the Elastic Vazzy.
Bra. Samuel Kwadero ntia approve. Enti me hwe
on the Elastic
Adum FM or the Elastic Valentine 2019. Won say odoni bu a enye twan sa last year twan otwan ujemu anasa ba. Aha. Or the Elastic.
Wala to me ntia chifu nyina na ekese yemfa santimantem nkomo emfantom chifu mu chifu me de na yiwuramu asantimantem dia na ensem bubuja eni guorma yebe sanim na yetimi dia ma chifu na oni so show me de manfom fam ya goro kwa dodo na eni team penifo titiri ni aninti eni tie odwumade no be premu kumasi anata say Big Bernard ammonia ni dunya no air condition specialist eni ompem ya goro kwa de bia wutie life e won kem ya na enwa wakora na se me wutie ne kama sanso na referee be dan kwa oye system administrator ewo yankobra rural bank ewe siam papa o tie papa sanso na logistics company movie logistics company no water mahabo and so referee Maso Hansen enfemi agroko no supervisor ewo hono ma te say me show dem kama sanso na Alan Skido ewo German Hamburg o tie odwumadi no and na so Mr David ewo US woni yima ena o mo maka nyina paapem mo eso ti e wa America memo a mo mfani ago refi papala Patrick enso e wo wonti a ono so picture ni e wo Aswag Islamic ono so ti show ni ba na wala obepiem e wa asante fa de ten se na se nyo asem ko akora bibia de na kwam a ye di jumadi na e ti for na de omni se wala obepiem e that yes Saturday I go e be bof ni ma ti last me kafre se e ti for se the women has got to focus on and omko tell you nimre na tell no omko na nimre no the women say omko so ya wo tie ni say me na committee tournament here ben I go back on pan nimre da ni nimre kwa and omko to ripa ko na the tell say omaba fan ni match bi Saturday na tima I go me the bonnet de nya dia ba bon tele tina e ko si sa de nsa fa me ne le timi enye timi ye e dia approach for the minimum omo family match no sele so man say Saturday and on bet match aka no Brazil in Greece sport the man Sunday as usual time I born we Saturday friendly game at Santi Gold at Blackers here we mo actually team bi e be ti akan e wo hono na uba be piem e wa santiman tem dia na say Joseph Amwati ha ono yeze o Arsenal nkoyi na o say ha so folks ni e me to mo apan but o person ba aye kotokoso kakra our Bema camp where our friends say you say from what Bema camp to Medina asanto ko for ya hu papa et media chair Martin to praise Obama o travel cut ante adima memoria predi preparatory school and what Tennessee Zongo dancing and no we too much asanto ko nya tam ko na the only protocol you training ku so ya na we 2 p.m. and no mo ye say Peter on then time no akra it is not a bit able to master the money. Tell for 1 hour, tell the knock of OPS, said about 1 for 1 hour time, and Sana, the 8 years, one of them now, almost at 1 p.m. No, we come out to say, ball work or more, you now move from the Kanya, that almost just school, for the team, I see a company from the team, and no mercy, I can't leave, and I do only care. Wale. Apanto kwa husiesie eno mguswa na asema ababada person said ko bia kuma tia santo kotoko eguswa ehwe se ene de emi se pam na ya 1 p.m. no enya de kotoko management abodo sokra na according to cap or more graces computer de bon chapter 9 ene pere ho ba bi no interclub competition say the Article 9 or to the place, date, and the kick-off time of the group matches are fixed by CAF Interclub Committee after consulting the host federation. Said the place, date, and the kick-off time of the group matches are fixed by CAF Interclub Committee after consulting the host federation. How many host federation? GFC and I case protocol now we so mu ebe committee apam na bibia tuma pe mi hu tama bit my program. The only protocol who is that Mr. Monaka. I have protocol cry about management to all boys in the year. Now, it Monaka. I'm a time was done in Saka Tama. Protocol is that when you match me, that's why 1 p.m. I'm going to use you and Tancy, said Ghana, but I kick off match at 1 p.m. Now, the only say, or not or more you practical, or more making sure said, the able to drop come before said, now you're teachers in the other now. The only say, also before, and then Mr. Alex Asempa, Deputy General Secretary of Ghana Football Association, say, or you are of time, and make up a year for James last year. Emma Koba say, now they say, or you are aware, Papa say, or you are aware. Today say, yes, you and collaborating. Amaka Paswanti, Apatama, or more at Yakom, a Yatama, a new area power, a yacht unusual, our Ghana, the football backwards. In the last year, German, you have decided, wow, associated by Waka, more difficult, and we are the quarter, my almost have your money to a leader club, a shop about over Ghana and Tam about one, sir. No, I'm not a supporters leader. Chairman Koku Amtonsa AK35. As the Africa said, and now I'm over this. It's a mobile farmer from the Cat 24. No one consult to cap, no one drinking care. The diabetes material Nanka, a time yet not trouble, a trick a karma, called Rock Martha and to the now, the woman said, and I'm that time, I time a year, I got about 1 p.m. Not much day, so a year weekend, and not a year weekend. Amount for weekdays, amount for quite human. The only answer for the two and amount to management and the supporters leaders, I think I can't remember now. I think a big media say a pretty about brass and took to you. I didn't understand. You understand. For the myself and not management and supporters leaders, I think I can't win. I bet you Friday and Saturday. Make a year minute that. Or we keep our men and two commercials. No matter a year after 50. As I put anyone, yes, I was saying, I'm not here for the ball. As I market to show, I guess I'm not for Coca. Now, I'm not quite happy. I just saw more welcome. Say, don't pray. You say, for the Ukraine, there 1 p.m. Yes, Ramo, Moon Point, Lempton, your mobile, 11:30, you. Now, and to was our uncle, don't come there. I can't have the answer. This is a poor boy about 320, someone about 320, maybe. And more for maybe I might have a dream, and then when the Bibiaco. Now, I'm not going to our magazine. Aha, no, we are talking about me. Now, I'm not various assemblies. Aha, tell me a claim for other people. Not central market, Kumasi, or not another quarter market, and not a poor. You are only. I am the Ayaka of 4, 8 1 a month, and so many that job. No matter my said this year, I mean a Friday. Now, I'm not going to Makota. Drive one do a magazine for 1 year, a year, 24, or 1 year, demand or more crowd, organize the area and they teaching shop, or be around maybe a master, or not a master, who can have a Mount Cray, the person of Boston will be a room quarter, money 3 days, you and Timira, 1 minute back, no mamma, Mr. Okay, and your master, Mr. Maba, Mate, 1, 2, 3, 4, 100 mountain. By 10, 11, no matter. It's number the 1 hour 30 minutes of study. About what number some 6 number 1 number. That's why you did the attack to go to the other time. Oh, more pretty said. And then says, I'm your man with Toma. And that's why I'm out for our million leaders were tomorrow. It's not day guy or more a year workers. I'm a much near Babaya sport and not Saturday. No. And so on them now for Amako. Now my church behind the Bobo, no matter I'm 1921. Now Monday, Tuesday, other kind of Nekwabako, I'm not going Namasarum. One institutional house for us. Who's that time on Monday, Tuesday, in India? And you're working day, I'll be at work, and your office is in Yadi, and you're meaning to undergo education service, teachers, money holiday, maybe a map on them. Now, Muslim Mama, the baby, a market. It's one of institutional house for us, and not your Monday, Tuesday, no, it's a map for at the end, almost saying, yes, someone, I have young workers and only advance near the yes, someone, almost no mamma help there. Into Friday, Saturday, or no more, I'm going to go as a for market magazine, clearly no mako no so den ka mama oye various assemblies no so that we so ba boama oye boys we mantam no so aka from there dey kotoko ma so pia mo ko central market on ko Crofro market we dey so pa mo ko tapo no so ma ti go and so any be kotoko company for ya na po mo ti e access so me ye who so kotoko group be access awareness group again Bratton Archery former of the communication team member and they were not under the president. I was sure I'm not saying that because I only matters that the Guava, a young Africa, I campaign up here, and you want to be the gun as a jump around a pass from that, the areas and the corner. Now, the only thing you one can know what Babania last possible. One of the flats, or more now, I take care when the 3 years are many. Flat dentist, I yesterday, no so by the Babala, most of what with that. As I said, I'm here, Kanko, and I'm the flask of a Kahin and to come. Now, pass for what to come. Now, pass for what to come. Then come up. A year after one time, a coma who wants a flask, him, then for enough, I know him, a child, a poor one, a truck and poor pass, and a pumpkin. Then a seven number name, him, yes, Kotoko, no flyer. But I only have some Kotoko from me, and no mamma sense to hear them. Papa, you are not a million. One say me, one also a political municipal assembly. One more pass to municipal assembly na one. One more because part of the army of just himself. You don't want to pick up class leading. A communication class leading. House uses solo. No, and I don't mantamo. Into a political municipal assembly, no man was swam. No, we are what a commercial young. No, and for me, Kotokoda, who could have 1 p.m. match. In case level, we are not by a stadium. And you get to poor central like 20 Ghana, VIP, A50, DVIP, also A50, yes, Ramaya with Yamra, and one by your announcement. You are more communication, pick up cars, Libya. Or we don't go around and come to tell you about the Congo, amount to the church and walk was baby. No for joint football, no Kaiser come. They are a communication car, and they order them none, oh, Captain Ned, give me a new. And I want to keep this one or my aqua, I assembly, I am almost Africa now. Or move to the municipal assembly. Asukwa anaswamia eniso eni jumedia wo musu ebi etiya so ajabwa ama bibi etima kwaso na kwakọ because wo mkoba yen the king na o salary nya dia yetia sa amount economy general salary no ma enu ni da doctor etia ma boys na head and son of gamer wo mbaba against school no etiya dia na papa the first strawberry black in opinion was an top as we see akay adima abusuan glass oba ka tama na glass oba Africa glass jana na fiye pa petro atletico de be mu tribunal 2012 na brantry so di massimo and strike de ma bushua glass abonto etiem e balance no baba go ne kotoko na de ni say abrantry na do petro de Egypt na gi na brantry di PSK ta no agadi na omaye na de ni say no kwa nam so ama sita kono eko pass striker eba ye tagi bibu zabu ọkọ pa ni baba eba kotoko ni say president black ko na de mi say do na collapse ama ha banka de papa oto na me pa personal the say me the loan in town crap like ya wa na dictate awaba already so me yakuba na po na dictate ba we ya ga ko fa body ha wa pa o tri ko diwa enu atukura no ya wa obodo nsusu a aso no kwa no wa ya ni anu akele enu kwa nkampia abrantie ba ko so ba ya enu Africa we interesting tempo so two goals Saki Abdul Fatahu ono so wa bo liberty abo intala today ko bo ye do one that so ba we could take 2 goals our African and we never be about na coach that the money and na coach do no tempo na the only thing no after to Asenka omediba na contract no wo so nye yes tili ya gani tikadi nie check nie eni ade nanka ko company fine so sam pa you ya ko na to di biantum ko ni sa ade na ntia ma so ntia ma do na collapse ama ya close di dia say the doctor of the country say this one day so one day point when you money say eni na nie training no me so tapa coach e ka tell the coach coach abi e o de madam ya mami mo bi kan you do coach e teacher no and you pick one said the player no one so party no bet no e bet ma play ba no so ti ma bobi na nya sabia na dey e dey ma president black paper na this ya pass Mohammed Douglas Ontwanka Habib Mohammed I am not telling you so more crop like Marcia and to the pass I depend on the Bentala for Korea and one part Douglas Ontwanka school I was big and senior high school or 3 division 2 club at Johnny Kobla Marcia Kano Habib Mohammed so everything and being there something good as a free agent one of the promotion of was holding a real the next men man telling you marketing also to the team I was ready now. Wamukara also now to deal up and you met my to come man tell you you cannot and if you need to proper yeah and it's a competitive action then you met my at me at Yama Sam man tell you now almost what aqua which you are as someone on the almost with my start as well to be a second so I need the 3 club like Marcia and took the corner the area match for any to measure so I think we play more of the idea you grab a palm and you almost say personal that you could get number job you know and you come out to just go I'm a market say yes locally where
okay we dey e better was nyame adoma say be san to aso no wedding sa so biu na afia rese na nyama esi ekọ won hihia no so ebetia san to family enwumere so da say
let's make that power wala
okay enti say nipa ba ko mienu bi akoma say omye bibi edefa ofun no ho na afi kwa no so mbetimi kwa na omsa botra na omye laptop no so adwuma edema me enti mehwe se nyame adoma se bedi mi sam de bro bi so ho no ma bedi wa wonsem enti mehwe laptop no de etu dia na mafa ba ko isan se bedi na nwene se why enti no nya why
uja ba ko do bo Zambia club ye de ho nyama nyina da de so ana dia me people and so you're going to research more you have to find maybe pretty baby and the so many what 300 dragons am dey na research so the no so boy pa the any omo yes wa nyame be suro mi pa
okay enti enko ba kwa on say ani arose ma wo say enye Ghana fo ati krom ha o we Ghana fo bi a wo mtia buchira I mean once in a while bi no wo betie radio no mpo ana omo pese omo yes ado enti no me gusu bompa ya se nyame adoma se no maka so pese omo ye no nyame mo ma hode no mutimi nye nimrim na enhye adede no nyam enye Ghana fo ati kromo Ghana fo ati abruchiri enti wutimi se adofo bi su gusu wo system nim why nyinkofo ba nyame ne somom de omba enti ka kuma to yam ebe yi wate yenyi se ya ada wate yensan wo fam da why and madam we have been send me message ode ayi ba na me say be say yi fence be say 4 years ago uni media chi phone so nti ni say me journalist me ni bibi sen wo kura ana uni media chi hu sa metwam sa chi ni di no Ghana for bibia ya ka bia be ba betwam amobi ahu na wo be ka say emrante nkuma bi transfer kroma wo mo etu wo mo che say nyame adoma wo mo ebe journalism na journalism be ye no ye de ne nye ne amanfo edidi me a wo ye ni bi yede ne ye dwini oman ene maburu da ache ho ana ye pese de ba amamafo sene ne masiko so nti wodi we agyae no ye besa to aso sedu adamu hanom na enu a ya na mene no research aye ni places erewura as a result of that ne nso komo asan ba krum no ye be bese ho saa na ye de mrana asan bata ho na obi ahu sene ne ma esi ekọ Michael Okanso the youngest researcher in town ono so we school ba nche adwuma aye wa ha no gide pa se kwazu ontimi tueka ye tu ho se pese ye ana yegu so ye ontimi tueka ye ontimi tua enti mo ha no ho kra o de kakra no de ma na okay why enti no ye da sepa why okay enti bright ye boatila ana atene kan se ne twem komo na fe wo cheche se ne nema esi ekọ asantemante magudiem ensem keka adoso sedo da mu enya translator ana afi obepima Michael kan wa ha mema Michael ni kan praprachi wi a na sedo da mu ebe serialize ne conversation no ene conversation with sedo da mu o serialize no de aba ne wo se ne nema esi so from normalization committee nkomo a ebe pemene ura kan Japan ebobo din bi HS mo na wo Ghana Football Association wa wo mo sponsor anas e ma odi video etiensa ba no credit den kan kakra nyame adoma bia beda de fe mo bia hu bia suson e de body ho so e be kokoto bia bokode Michael
yes wale bia boko
bia kama ho okay sem se watin kono kakra papreche ni enko
na ngomo no me be free Kumase insem anase Asantima musem na me san wo under 20 ma profile omo coach ni tactics ni strategy ma san profile every player ni strength and weakness ma san profile the negatives and I say the positives of baller under 24 year ball. But quickly, may Asantima Musem kakra, then I'll leave it to Sedu. Time kakra bema, then I'll come in with another 20. In the Omunyan fi Krumo intino. Sir, in the
Omakra,
sir, my ato in the another timer will do it. In the Asantima Musema, one thing, Ash Gold, say, Omuya training. Now, Ashanti Goody after Christmas now, Omunya call break. They be I bet you Munsema no Mucheni. It's a team, other teams are there. But if you look at Ashanti Gold all the time, Omuya training in which say they will get a tournament to participate. Now players will be active in their work and I say in their field of footballers. Now we share Kotoko so Omu preparation towards Zesco game. We will say time now share for the game has become problematic in terms of management getting supporters into the stadium. Now we share you see Omu create and I say Omu awareness team Omu nam Chrome create awareness with flags with flags keke and the big ones but the small ones and so create awareness send a spectators and as supporters who come into the stadium at Wednesday, which is on a working day, 1 p.m. to come and support. And also as I say they've put in place strategy to get workers who are interested to come and support the team to seek a leave of absence on the day yebo game no so that they will come and support the team. So in effect we say management are working really hard just to get the supporters send a better operation win home games no they will get spectators to come and support the team to cheer them up and I said to cheer them on to get the three points here on the day. Now we share in 70 bioma we say like they've put in a lot of structures in place into game na 3 points na umpeso omujina training so they shifted the training from time now to 1 p.m. just say they'll get the right body temperature and I said they'll get the right physiological movements in their bodies. Say game no they born 1 p.m. By 1 p.m. so training it will help them get the 3 points and I said get the needed 3 points umbenya na kotoko if they want to qualify to the next round. And I said, I want to qualify to the quarterfinals. So I'm winning all home matches. And next week Wednesday, will be the beginning of Sa Omudream. No, Timami fancy na Sedu. Time with Sedu no ensha say.
Okay, a time with Sedu Amfa. I still Asempa 94.7 FM. So I don't so so Tino na Nyame Adom FM or the Lastic Valentine 2019. Bright yebo atila so be ba Ghana for mo pe bright yebo atila asem no Nyame Adom FM or the Lastic Valentines 2019 no February 8th and you dey be share say wa hanom WhatsApp comment to between their ba very very interactive Nyame Adom rest na ma ABC akosero da mu enya atranse Sedu bia kama de
ya walas bibia
bia boko am san command bebre na ya na eja wachi forward and na de boni na kakra ni fan ko anim we na kwan wa make kan messages kakra e de fan koma wa bo ne ho na afi ne SM bote premebo na afi media support argument bia nti kwanya na e de ayen
well me da say say message if ikuma sandikotoko they be one I can say unacquainted with history will forever remain a child, and I think say Sekuma Sandiko for paying for your proactive kakra anka connect a conversation of whether your friend saying match on 1 o'clock and I someone born 1 o'clock they would have been able to know long before and be able to sensitize their fans before and kind of cry do because in said just a year ago and do year crampo because Adriana Stars group stages started in August and so just some few months ago Adriana Stars bought the same Confederations Cup and time all the group stage matches. Adriana Stars group stage matches in 1 o'clock and one thing that encouraging me crampo notices is that Adriana Stars all their home matches they had a full house. I mean, they had full house in all the 3 matches. Okodoma na bibia yema unya baby crunch na. So for me, it's not a matter of the time. It's a matter of how you do things well. It's a matter of how you publicize your matches well. If your supporters, no more real supporters of the club, irrespective of the time, also mutiba no game no call Europa. They say the matches need be call other parts of the world. They say you will say Italy for Coppa d'Italia, Super Coppa d'Italia. They call Qatar Cowboy. La Liga matches are outside of your friends saying home so I mean these are all measures they expanded the game, they expanding horizon. I mean at this stage Kumasi and God should not even be crying of a kick-off time for me because their fans will not come. At this stage Kumasi and God should be thinking of even taking some of their home matches to other cities to allow supporters or more those cities to have a feel of the club. So I don't think say the core no, and I said the excuse and language the rants in here right. And like the history that make Confederations Cup do group stage. CAF was specific because of TV rights and also because they want to synchronize the matches now. Or more time slots are all the teams. And in this case, they don't give you specific times or more all the available time slots to choose from. And in this case, the Confederations Cup, the time slots near 1 p.m., 4 p.m., and 6 p.m. CAF will make it available to you so that you choose which of the time slots are open. So, see what I can see. Over here, Diana Stars, for instance, last year, because the stadium, any floor life facilities, they chose 1 p.m. Send by 3, no normal ball, because if they choose 4 p.m., it is likely some matches will be deep into 6 p.m. Because of visibility. So, they chose 1 p.m. So, I'm surprised that Kumasi and Nikotoko, including management, now this stage, more cry wolf about time at the moment. I doubt, say, CAF will go beyond their regulation because already section 9 section 9.3 of the CAF interclub competitions rule relating to CAF Confederations Cup. Now it's clear say at the group stage, CAF will collaborate with the internal federation and I said the host federation to decide on the times. And I believe I doubt say CAF will do this technical mistake, and our CAF administration will do this technical mistake by not writing to the GFA and Kotoko in time, specifying the time slots available, especially when they know say one of the time slots, the 1 p.m. and 6 p.m. Are likely to have some technical difficulties because what you say 6 now, it means you have to use floodlights. What you say 1 now, it means you have to work around early to get the game to kick off, especially who away team Norban. You must ensure say umbo I can say there or national capital no or arrange arrangement enough for the team to arrive in your national capital and fly the team to the host venue because Konoko baby on 1 year over 200 kilometers and the CAF competition rules say so Ubobo no baby a year over 200 kilometers outside the capital, the capital city of the Ukuna, also fly the opponent. So it means CAF knows all these things and they will write to the face. Now, I am tempted to believe. Let me repeat. I am tempted to believe. Say the communication call the GFA secretariat and in a proper response. I am really tempted to believe because CAF will give you the kickoff time, and in fact, in the transitional regulations, the kickoff day it is specified at the group stage. Champions League teams for the weekend on both Friday and Saturday. Now Confederation Cup teams now but Sunday, and so what qualify for Confederation Cup on the weekend game. Then you can say, "Oh, dream say I'll move my match to Saturday because it's not possible." Confederation Cup you are playing on Sunday. On a weekday, Confederation Cup matches you're born on Wednesday. Champions League matches you're born on Tuesday. And this all about Confederation Cup. You should not even think of moving the game to Tuesday or Thursday because it is specified in the regulations. Tuesday. I mean Wednesday for Confederation Cup, then Tuesday for Champions League. Now the time slot also comes in. Time slot it is specified at the group stage. It is 1 p.m. 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. I am surprised that the manager of Kotoko who's had their way earlier enough to be able to psych their fans, to be able to even psych their team, to be able to even tell the technical teams group stage these are the available time slots. You see your home games and even the away games. And for the away games, the matches will be 1 p.m., 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. and these things they are static as far as the transitional regulations is concerned. So I'm surprised Kumasi and Kotoko, the fans, the management, the head of the leadership of their fans spending so much time crying over these things when they have to use the time to sensitize their fans. They have to use the time to even give the fans the modalities how back to their businesses. Because if it's 1 o'clock, you can come to the stadium at 12, spend the 1, 2, and 3. After 3, you can go and do some 2 hours business and go home. These are analysis, these are strategies you can do to ensure that the thing gets going. Moving on. While I speaking,
my main regulations to Article 9.2 no.
Yeah.
And I would
9.2.9.3.
I'll say the place, date, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Yes. Yes.
And the time of kick-off. Time of the 1/16th or the 1/16th final or the second 1/16th final or quarter finals, semi-finals and finals are set by the host federation.
Yes, the
host federation, association and the host federation.
And
who shall inform the general secretary of CAF, the opposing team, the
match commissioner,
the referees, and then the match commissioner and at least 10 days before the match.
Yes.
After this notification, neither the kick-off time, neither the day of the match, nor the day, the match venue can be changed, except if there is an agreement communicated to CAF between the two teams. And now, Obama, if this provision is not respected, the committee will impose the day and the kick-off time of the concerned match. Failure to comply with this measure will result in a fine of $4,000 US. 9.3 no, the place, time, and the kick-off time of group matches are fixed by CAF Interclub Committee after consulting the host federations.
Correct.
4.9 Interclub Committee can fix some of the interclub days on midweeks.
Yes. So you get what I said. So the night train is the most important. When night train a day in Kahun. Night train or see place, date and time.
The kick-off time.
Place, and time kick-off
place, date and kick-off time of the group matches are fixed by CAF Interclubs Committee after consulting the host federation.
And the question is, did Kotoko ask the GFA? So it's not a matter of CAF. CAF will never ever impose any time on any federation, especially when they know say the competition is a very commercially viable competition. Clubs needs to make money because one, CAF regulations, especially their marketing and sponsorship regulation, preventing many of the clubs to use some of the sponsors. Over team be say Goma here, for instance, or means sports person, a betting company, and because CAF acquired IXBet as a sponsor, your friends say Goma here 8 million so sponsor no just saying him. So CAF will ensure that they do everything for the host team to maximize profit by ensuring that they play their game at a convenient time. So CAF will never impose a time, your friends, a time on any host club or host federation. And even if they do, they impose the host federation can petition CAF or can take the Confederation of Africa on, or even go to CAS. So the issue of CAF impose on us, no, I think say Kotoko management should also maybe may feel that some more grievances be also more channel to the GFA and as the management committee, because the regulations are very very clear as to how the competitions go before the group stage and even after the group stage. Even the quarter-final stage in our time, venue and everything is specified in the regulation. So I think Kotoko they must move on. They must find ways, creative ways of ensuring say that 1 p.m. no, Baba Yara will be full to the level of Mope. Like I mentioned just some few months ago, your Kodoma 1 p.m. na baby ayema 1 p.m. and yes, but because the people were able to market the game, they were able to put in place mechanisms that ensure say people from all walks of life came to the place to watch the match. And indeed, match somewhere there is no single matcher. Obako and Najma Medu Park and have single space, and I say spaces in the stands. So this is how Kotoko should do. At least 5 days to ensure say they use the available media publicity and as media channels available to sensitize people. I'm surprised say and almost started 1 p.m. training. They should have started long before.
Okay. Because as I almost say the Monaka rep at the Makumasi Asante Kotoko.
For communicating directly with the participants, no. It before I ever buy into the media, they are aware of that.
Okay. It's a time
1 p.m. on Wednesday, 13th February.
Ebe Febamu.
That's 6 p.m. on the 6 p.m. near Kobo. Okay, the last time I got to go ball match, it was that time, no. 1987 against Zamalek. We are so I know the share time, no. But this time we do group stage in a cup in the determined kick-off time. You're born on a pro, you're born on Machu. They see and this is say a must win at Babaya.
Okay, and you know, Edmond Aka and Alton can Greater Carib at the Kumasi Asante Koroko. Yeah, and
so I think a clarify.
Say back on the Oman fix it. We ask for
so you ask say back on and 87 there na Minkasa, but you ask say at what stage that 87 because I say at what stage because you know you name say Omani Karibangi Sharks in the race. No one on fix it time because the regulation gives them that right. Say at that stage, you know, the host federation. And because CAF doesn't deal with individual clubs or deal with federation, or you see the word the host federation. Obviously, the host federation would take solace from the club. And no, and a call the leader of delegation issue. Okay, we mentioned that the leader of delegation in this case, one leader of delegation and corner a host nation and a host city and a host club. While mobile at the time I advertiser last 2 weeks there was some confusion I see in the CAF Champions League. CAF announced so say your friends say Lobby Stars I'm with that club athletic match near Friday, but then not with that club Lobby Stars are sure before to CAF that they want to play the game on Saturday. So even after CAF had announced that the game was Friday, with that club, CAF the communication across between the host nation, the host city club, which is the away club, which is with that club, and the general secretariat, and then CAF rectified quickly, and the match was played on Saturday. So if Kotoko had been proactive, Kotoko had requested, had gone to even the regulations to know, say at the group stage, you have to go into consultation with the club lines, club committee, interclub committee, to fix the time, or say. But I think that quickly, I won't say organization committee the fixtures for the competition, special competition about and. Just just a glance notices some anomalies be say quick kilometer withdraw because not proper say you best start a competition now one team all but 3 home matches. In fact, even at the start, it never happens. It's very rare for you to see say that start the competition now. Me call details just a glance and I saw this medium I see about 3 home matches continuous. So for your case game no your person game is fair player it will affect them and about 3 straight home so it will affect them and the effect here is positive and negative because when they play 3 consecutive home matches you say the once you are playing home you know why teams play home and away until my team no about 3 home say second round no a 10 year or about week 6 week 7 week 8 and I say week 14 week 15 week 16 or about no away. And he said the performance go you now say the 3 home away matches now but the away league now you know the repercussions. So I think say the normalization committee or more fixtures no they should check again because I think say anomaly and they have to check. I'm not for say exercise we just want to put them on their toes because some of these things okay they want to brush it but this is not something we must entertain. This is not something you want me to see and keep quiet. They must work towards it. It's not proper. Start competition, nothing be about 3 home matches at once, and you're proper. It's not done anywhere. Why won't your baby no? Fabian Yenti, why won't say base your baby worldwide? Say about competition at home and away basis and a league format. Now you will see that one club ever home. What we see is that there are instances club can play 2 home matches at a time, but 3 home matches at a time there. While as Adabraka. Sure say AC and the normalization committee will not want to introduce that to us.
Okay.
They will not want to introduce yes
referee David Lai FIFA assistant referee wa man so referee mo adwo
ba to mi timi so
bibia bokode
nyame adom bibia boko.
Okay, make it ankrata bi e wa ha me yanka sankrata no me hwe no me hu di makomako be se 20 ana wa sankrata so na ne me hu ne se we at the High Court of Justice Human Rights Division Accra ana access our referees makomako be se 20 modin e wo so aseche ne sen
me yawo ne se we be ka right so say omo apanish here because of the expose no number 12 expose no. Nteja omo Fred this file committee MIS here on I
as a citizen and as a member of the association, will be friends. I say also na. Into yes, we are on hello. Yes, okay. You were right, sir. But me happy. I'm the decision about. Into before I appeal, you try the mom say yes, you shop proceedings, or then in there, I Ghana constitution when I was Mrabiamon. Who said the committee now? Yeah, oh, it might be at least what proceedings. Let's say now we be saying the panel. Say na say the panel so kind. And my end say. But I be saying for my. You try the mom. You don't get to try by back say. On to me my proceedings, yeah, but the baby I am yes, you need baby I copy him because if I know the man or say or the 2 minutes in some say on for my baby I can say this is a cockroach, not cotton country of normal from Bray. It's an antenna, yeah, cockroach.
Okay, it's an animal file.
But and then I finally have served you on Wednesday.
Must have one come out.
But
I'm first here in Ebaso.
Your chair did normally writ of summons. The rules will be our 14 days and now 21 days. So very responding. Into your chum, I'm responding to prayer and register and the 30 days for court.
Okay. Now, me say adia baako. Ese list by anas video no ebe top fema na referees bi din wom no referees chairman any general secretary omu yi nkrofo bi fimu nkrofo mienu bi efimu ana mo a ase monimu cheda ni nyam no ye frɛ mo ne ye de saa bani etare mo so saa ne sitie
ampa ti say me say me David Lai say we should list every taga by no me dey nesu me video so ni ho nti me nim baby am dey be won rag list say omo invite me this fine committee. Inti and also na mission proceedings no among my proceedings na na the next line of action was someone say me didn't count inti meaning baby me didn't be police for invite the someone invite me and referee be ask why and so why crowd them on proceedings no so share also pan and I so can and yeah no so because they were right to appeal well like article 34 clause F no. You have right to appeal. Any member who is dissatisfied with any decision of the committee, you have the right to appeal to conference. To conference, when you're district, when you're region, national, instead of national league, until you have the right to appeal to conference. Until you person appeal to conference, until you have the person me only me can also near okay. So that me who the weight of appeal no me the back on. The conference, the whole regional chairman and a delegate from Bettina. No, I have to be expelled in the association or not. Then the conference decision is final.
Okay. And you know, say when the years are referees me no edin film.
I don't know secretary any chairman because I don't know. You chose. I'm not sure the court. I got. No, I'm not the marginal secretary. And I'm not to see the chairman walk come say. Whereas your regional headquarters were Accra. Into the call command and I didn't stand by into baby and between the two of them. Into
okay, into referees too ben and me omudin film no.
Me telling about me guys and me the omu here film there and they me who listen but my own Emrana Salifu I am bila any ebimo the omudi water and list no so but omo rag forces so omo nisu and I me di nisu ni ko te ko te ni di nisu and I am saying crofo but omudi ye di aka ho
hey asemu minim ebia na from investigations na tiger for no so use mo referees here bi e de ehwehwe eye mo referees na bi nti omode ba no esan so mo nim adwuma nim ti no ana omode mo nyina san fry na omode ba omo wo ye nkofo am ye adwuma ma tiger for ni bi won okay nti wo ye neutral person odi abe pm
that like for who said dey be the player na ebi mo din sisa say na dey I don't know baby omunya dey no free
okay but no say o born in saying
so corruption video and I mean video mo so into me play before the committee the me some say na say me count into I don't know what happened but eja omuba na omudi to channel ba into ye na ye sure
okay but now we are where some person you did that
Oh, minimum. I know they are meant
one thing come on baby.
Oh, actually.
Okay. I mean you see anyame adoma after 14 days no proceedings no start e be dey checkingly. Nya hwese na nema ebesi akotaga adwuma ye no mu no so question ho ana esa be di mu nsem so amoso mo dey adwuma dey aboa e ma sanity aba system no so question asa ba ho. Brefon to brefo ade ampa. Meja mosia why? Nyame adoma be di. Okay. Inti nkomo no so aba no e wo se na nema esitian se edu empraprachi ne nkwe.
So you see, when I say from June 6 be seen, you should have knew maybe I say cockroach out there, they are born. We're trying to say exactly what's happening because me say 3 days and 4 days workshop for referees or prime is enough to clear what we are told to believe. Violence is your match venues. Lots of things. Just say it's not been touched. So I'm surprised that people with proper conscience would want to defend a certain system. Because if you say there were so much rot in 13 years, well, we agree, we support. So we want to clean. In 6 months, what has been done? Because these referees issue and they are the doorstep of the GFU. And my leadership committee cannot tell us, say, I'm a referees be acquainted we should not talk about them. There are so many infractions in even Ejuma rag here. And your referees are rag say was suspending no FIFA clear no. All these things, the Normalization Committee must issue a proper statement on all these things. So I don't think say we are in the right direction. And many of these people, especially issues are questioning and the reason, there are many of these people they are seen in football. Why is the ethics committee? I be afraid these people at 2 man. So I think we are in for a long haul, very, very long haul, and unfortunately, we will allow people to occupy certain positions they do not deserve. And at the end of the day, there are over 3,000 footballers now will continue to suffer.
Okay. Maminya osia kakra na entie a former president of the Ghana Football Association question the and an interviewer will grant and an nkoma what they ebae.
They asked a lawyer who teaches in Legon. He knows him, he's his friend. He contacted me and asked me to pay $150,000 US. And I said I didn't have the money. And that's why all this Bulabalu came about. They were even demanding $400,000 US because project now or a sponsored project. And Crawford or more GFA or more payment. They paid $400,000 for us to do that.
Asempa FM.
Sika or they man will Dubai no. That money he claims is $65,000. It has to be proven because I received $40,000, which was a $50 note. 8 of that. Ocean video now you can count it. Or no, or 65. All my denominations they be a $1 note, they be a $2 note, they be a $5 note. Are on track.
Okay, former president of the Ghana Football Association question techi and this ankomo ebae and ura Kennedy Japan and so a series of evidence ebae Ghana for money omobo money akoma hu sampa enkomo ho na question techi say nkofo a omo efi ho na omo sponsor no and Kennedy Japan e kasa no yi asutewi em say enkomo no madu Kennedy wa kasa kan wa asem no abo
rubber bag no aba no yi sika. This is me to you, don't be embarrassed. It's our culture. I couldn't have expressed my appreciation in any way than to give you money. This is the beginning of our friendship. Baby, I'm not supposed to show now or no. Who was some new account now or no I voice over
Asempa FM.
Is that an investigation? Is that how you do investigation? I have series of them. My friend was in young if that is not what happened. Sigama the man granu aboka chance, a woman 40,000, who 63. Even 63, George Weah brought the 51,000. But nobody listened to question Yantish. Because Randia Beru in our account, yes, it is wrong. Now, power me and a dear major woman, some mafia, one, coffee mafia.
Asempa FM.
Maybe I will show almost pictures. Nigeria for only be that one country Randia, but this is a making a Japan. Or try to expose you. Yamra through the
okay, and then I'm say boy my sponsor and
yeah I'm say and I surprisingly
obi am say on be tin say you na ma me say din no man tin ye why we was so betia yidin nko a ho na are say Kennedy Japan honorable Kennedy Japan ana de san komo eba kobi bo modin a say obekwam say din no man tin ye oh kobi okay kobi Mr. Wa san right edin no nebo edu pa
I have series of them. Mon frère was in Yantechi say me boa. If that is not what happened. Sigama with the man granu about catchers. Woman 40,000. Who's 63? Even 63. George Weah brought the 51,000. But nobody listened to Kwesi Yantechi because Randia Beru in our account. Yes, it is true.
Asempa FM.
Edi mi na boy anko china obeti me ha se we nyem na boy na
da be we dey Kent honorable Kennedy Japan ti wo bibia na oni na ko face
expect ya I'm so ochina pe o china pe so o de reaction beba ochina Friday o mo mane ko Saturday ni
wasan dey
yes so mo china ba china fisa bre akopim
wasan dey
o mo so nya video se we nya platform dey video ya program e pon 9 into when your platform why video now the reaction ba
na you be bama yes we small bama in Japan I respond you and e be betimi jan fifi
am say ko be am for antini ni se na am say ademumu kan
granu aboka chance woman 40,000 who's 63 even 63 George Weah brought the 51,000 but nobody listened to Kwesi Yantechi because Randia Beru in our account yes it is true now power me na mafia coffee mafia.
Memo Krumo.
I say coffee shop mafia.
Memo Krumo.
Na see away.
Upa bi wano.
See away. Wala see away. Yeah, semo. They share memo see again. So I think that me I have always said there is always the other side to everything, and the BBC and Bisam will say what of the other side. You see, I think we see we were quick to condemn instead of say you be relaxed now you analyze the issue, no. And everyone say obi say odu safo make I say at the time no can say it was we should word be say it was overblown or so. I feel surprising that's what we're trying to me. I think that over events ACC during in the number 12 now we overblew it. If we had relaxed, properly taking the issues one by one, by some do baby, but to be hey just because maybe you'll be time will be ana. But you see, tiny pa sometimes you see a phone nipa one the repercussion no to generations. So you must take steps to sanitize it. But as we speak, number 12 is still and me I encourage Kennedy Japan. It's rather unfortunate say mini coincidence. Oh, and come buano. So that yes, so that you see, it's not about say obi fight obi or fight system no. But like I mentioned, there is another side to every issue, and I don't think there's anything wrong for somebody to investigate the investigator. I don't think there's anything wrong. It's just that some of us have not been equipped. Me, I'm saying that maybe into journalism no. There were people who were doing investigative journalism at Omoya. It is backed by document. Asempa no. And I quickly go say one of these the name now escape me, but we can quickly mention it will be say Manasi. He does at least we are some of the jobs he does, and that is what your core journalism school. And so what question and tape now. Or see what he's doing has not been licensed. Now maybe I say tag IPI. Sometimes when you raise this issue, people say don't go there. But you see, if we don't go there, that be obviously question and kasa a wrong time. Time and on kasa. Question and talks a wrong time. Question and wife talks a wrong time. Kennedy Japan talks a wrong time. And us talks is right time. Logic ben no. I mean it is logical reasoning ben obi do kasa a wrong time, we kasa a right time. I don't get it.
Okay.
Do you?
Say we
I don't get it, do you?
It's immortal.
I don't get it, do you?
You mention never easy echo. At appropriate time no, you mention every and come away say my boy twam. oh my bon komo ya twem nya fi number bebo e wo sena niam Asia ko but yenko Gatusa games odo sa say Gatuso games we Gatusa games 2019 we technical universities and omanyoma gro ana omudie em say any official radio broadcasters
oh yes I headquarters of Ghana Sports into competition bia no ha ni CS
me va choose repeat bi o say ha
headquarters of Ghana Sports
okay otie sifi wati
once o competition bia you was circuit you area council you was zonal and the district and the regional headquarters na wo koko say e be say ni nyina na dey akọ headquarters the sports no
oba country go autonomous villages and towns
ni na ontra the schools square into say obo inter houses near accepted place no for inter schools near obo zonal na akọ circuit if circuit na akọ a friend district if district and say you regional regional na pick you mu they want be academicals from academicals no ba under 17 under 17 no kwa akopem national team is the and the national team black star na kasa ekuwa no na wotese nti ye kwasi afia
me kwasi afia o ene metati senyo kra
ana ko bi kobra Jimmy Comla pa so didn't know am so e bia me kan to
yanko
and Gatusa games no so eto aso won say catch them say e wo ball games so na you wo to say martial art games and I feel so you wo rackets games and e wo track and field and track and field no oko Wax Sports Stadium a esewani ne nsa o kachire bi kwakwaso ya javelin ekoso na emiketu no ne mu die pa so ko men's 5000 meters wa ne ho ne ye bete abranti bi ti se mark owusu no ewo takrade technical university obon hu modin pa enya coach sanso ena fuseni isanso Kumasi Technical University ono so enya silver ho na bronze no koma Matthew Kwanglo ono so owo Accra Technical University so ifo yenko women's 200 meters final no ho ena code no ekodema Elizabeth Wusi ono ewo takrade technical university ono so bon humodi enya gold sanso ena Wasila to Ibrahim ono so sanwo takrade technical university wa utimi so uti asifete nini ejeyi papa se ene ni maiwa ni mrante no monimbo no neso ni yepa sanso ena Christiana ahoma ono so ewo Koforidua Technical University so ebon homodin wale Koforidua bay mutimi se wonso ni ejika kresa ne se Koforidua ena wo ofisi Koforidua
izo mfa menya hwe yenko ya
ni finde wo se dawsi be Koforidua kakra ntina se ni no
sumo pokitu aba ko dabi
also headquarters okay na under resources sanso eba edifi mema na fem no we men's 200 meters wo resource ni binin Raymond French muti edini you Raymond French ono takrade Technical University Brantini Tumrika mika tentempa Brantini kweno ne huye po nya gold edema takrade Technical University sanso na Idrisu Musa enso sanwo takrade Technical University wo otunso board humodin so nya silver ena bronze no ekodema odro mensa jimano ono so Kumasi Technical University na nene twato final no ewo track and field no miano anase women's 3000 meters no sena results no ho ena Wasila to Ibrahim no ebo ne homadin enso enya gold ono ewo Tamale Technical University ena Charity Opoku enso ewo Accra Technical University enso enya silver ena bronze no eko ema Benedicta Hagan ono so ewo Cape Coast Technical University ewo so ewo ho entino munkai enchene so namom volleyball NFL so football bin so ekọ so ewa results no etinere pimu a volleyball men's semi final no Tamale Technical University abo Muhammadin etwa Koforidua Technical University 3 straight sets sanso ena oba miana fam so a Tamale Technical University abo Muhammadin so etwa Koforidua Technical University 3 straight sets enso ewa watimi se na esoni epanana game so esan ekọ subio ho ena Accra Technical University enso echi Kumasi Technical University etwa mo 3 straight to 1 enso na oba women's semi final enso a na je say ehon so ekoyie papa na no football enso atimu say women football final tamale ebom humodin etwa ho by 8-0 unze tamale ho no one the likes of Mukarama Abdullah mo omuwan okogusa mo bom humodin ti ko tamala ho footballers no omo hoye pa footballer bi krampo ebetumrika na che say ni mo de mo no so eso aniye ewo competition a eno so ekoso anti gatusa no ehun popoe ane koso ya ochena track and field no ebeto aso enti ye de ho hyehye nyina no ebesan edi Abraham Nsempanyfo etwei nsemna doso enti ni nyina enfenfi one enti update kakra edi efi gatusa games no eni.
Okay, I still Asempa 94.7 FM. So Sports Night ni jumedia ye de Ebra obi piega Tusa Games hon komo 2019 a uti Esrifi Mensa Secretary for Sports Committee Takra de Tenka University o ha nyame adoma bete ne kanso de ne komo eba ana afen so Royal Prince World KD anane Asare ono ye chairman for Gatusa Tenka Committee head of sports ATU no so ha ana Maame Joyce Adwa Opon local organizing committee member ATU senior lecturer fashion department mami no hefe pa no so ha o mi na ebeta chira boa emede san hye so queen etwin asabrel oti wa ha oti de nke beka se bia oyefira e wa ha na so yesen ne ma esi ekoso a akoye akokọ ni nkosua but etre ho a ye fa che so hye kotodwe nti mami ko chairman ho first ne yesen ne ma esi ekwa na oti obesa si tun na ma chairman chairman kasa no watro se go senior secretary the chairman kasa fa pen no na watro nti Prince World KD anane Asare say dina no chairman bacho say no no oh okay bibia ebokode
ya miadum
oh okay say na so fa ne masi akọ
oh say de bibia ya kama ya sha se fibra ya sha se ebi samre ni na no say bibia ekosuye ya nya sponsorship enso so kakra na ya keka yen sa asem ya timi dia aye amana kwa animu ye pache mama phone na hu say tertiary sports dia say ye liesie kakra na sama egusa ne gatusa ene yesa adwuma no na epepe say mejira akwanya iso na ya shanekena kabrofuni ya bansoso ni mabrofuni ya shanekena na jina ye ye tumpo kwa animu if you saw your butcher to America just who's a national athlete no ko university and so akosu apomo enti eno eni beti ye ni wo mo ensusu ye bia na yentem enti na ne sano no ekoyie yaminti ekoyie
du beti aka se niam tenka committee mudi gu akwam no so far modi ni nyina so na awake de amamo to this stage
yeah ni nya ye diso awake amaye ena mdi kankan say awon kire bi wo kankan beba se de sisi sha niam no enema akakwa animu ebia fanse ye hihye ewo saa sikasem su le bedu ba bi no na se de wiase sikasem city enti no na ama ekwa animu enti bibia akoye nyame ka ehu ekoye pa
okay minim se the city after say Accra Tenka University any Kumasi Tenka University the Pimps no some penalties after say almost 1-1 or sakin to separate the boys from the men and a Koba say Kumasi Tenka University for a triumph over Omo and Omo come in the next stage yet say Accra Tenka University for can say one for penalty and share but we sure say our responsibility at the Tenka committee no so and then amoyen sir
Mr. my history kakra wo sa ade no na nini na say so bakaya football mu emre bi say FIFA de bibi kakra ba say o tournament na say tournament no yemfa say edu stage bi a obi akura napo baako a e say group of 3 na say group of 3 no obi akura say 1.1 point yakoba say ye to atu preko neze be benya nipa obegina sa group no na enfoso kakra ba enwomanum ye de hihye mu sa na emom no ya cross na eche say ba ne say ye be hihye no say group of 3 e bia say ba so bia kura 1.1 point ye be to atu preko no eno no nchi ye chiremu no ama printing na ine mu chechemu no ama tie ba nsa ne ko ja we no ko a to Jan Sano next say akwa say wabo akosi foforo me say ye fa the league so na so ankoba na efum ye ni na emeka
okay the competition is no mutu viva de enim
ye yi free mu the last meeting here oboga no na ye say be ye free ho na em say ye ntimi ahia antoto sa ne ma
and say mo anya fair to Accra Tenka University for
and me wo bi na so as a chairman there ya anya fair to obi anya mo nko na nya sa amane no tamale su nya
mo de ai omo na omo tamale su enti o mansa no ato aso
I share 4 goals, or I share 2 goals. Group stage, there were penalties. Yeah, 3 in a group. Oh, yeah. Because referee in my impression said go penalty. Say you kiki, you referee to cast a weapon. You kiki, referee cast a weapon. And I coach no my instructions here. But from we are big. I'm go penalty na do kuku. Because you were 4 points, 4 goals. I'm 4 points, 2 goals. It's one necessary qualifying. A poor organization, how can you play in a group 4-3-3?
Sir, if it is nine universities against 1, oh, my brother, there is nothing we can say. You get it? Oh yes, in the law of football, any baby has a over group stage. Now what about penalties?
Okay, in terms of we no na get some head-to-head rule no. It's na what is a player na can number of goals e between say piase we dey ajemo sem. Discipline committee mo bi.
Oh, you be na the end say enyaji yesem no you say ya you be bia your friend ya games rules and regulations akobansa yentimi twinko yachi nti yenko yenim.
Okay, it must sacrifice Accra Tenka University
yaji adjatu na mum no the mechanic say as a chairman no amabano san yemeni na no the next games near Tamale nti ya say bedu Tamale no na bibia edana kwam a che say sa asemu ebi nsibio.
Okay, Madam Joyce Adwa upon ho senior lecturer mommy yemo adwo
ura
bibia eboko de na o transna yesisi university force na yema
obey the say eja technical team for no wo na ye de LOC ye na agro no eda ye nan so me say polytechnic na university kabo mu we ne agokensi a edikan enti na kire say aboje say obeto nu ntondwi enti ne atie bia na kire say ye na ese besie nan so enti ya yire ye ho ye de ne ma sisi akwan so se ne be ya ahoho a e ba nom baby a won beda se ne beje won agokensi ne se ne besie akone ne ma ese etoto akwan mu nyina ye nti ye hwe ye mpanyimfo no so sa eno no ese ejama wo because sabeta frache universities ni nyina obia de ne sports executive ebai nti eno no it was for them to take care of. Okay. So nti ne tie bia ye bekon akoye nim ne aka ne doso bebre kura wo hwa ye be.
Okay, manya challenge bi e wo mudwumadi a mudim as the local organizing team member no. So
far so good. Me say venues a ye de ye ne to so se be ya adwuma ni nyina nyame abie kwan ama ni nyina nkran so de no ane Ghana enti emfidi a ye de be ya security anuane ya hwe won fine me pa kire se oba nkran na kire se wa ba yie enti won nyina won be kase no adi ni yie enti enim se won kwa won so ba bia ye be kwa kwaso ye ne be ba bia no won so won be ye se na ye won na.
Okay, ti gatusa na aide de on
pa bibia mfrimu ne aye kan ne se momra meta ayechi so ho ye fi ase sa na nkran kurodua emu so wo mbe se adwuma ne ne ma de nipa be ko ba bi die but agro we num no enye honam no nko ampo etumi pressure no ne tension na wo krom no wo be hwe sports we bia e ma wo chese wo be ko fie no na waye kama enti ya pesa amanfo ba no won beta ayechi na nkenka host and win ya bankran hey no mo meta ayechi radio stations mo mra na mo fo ma no metum na next time no see ye bede for see a person hoster ye tumi anya biom na asan aba ha.
Okay, say university 4 months so mo do so pa.
Oh na say ne o de aja kwa ye nya akwa.
Thank you.
Enti e ho ahye say ma agemu a
say ajemo.
Oh, ajemo anti ebe.
Yeah, baba. Ebe bubu nua ho.
Hey, baby ade akofa. Ah, krachi.
Mommy. It's Mami Joyce Ajua upon local organizing committee member Edema ATUC, ATU, senior lecturer Edema fashion department na Alten and Canon. Osi Srifi Mensa, Oti secretary, Oti dey no actually so far. Okay. When come send an MSC here.
Yeah, I think it's been quite good. But we have a third appearance from the technical university, from the polytechnic games to technical university games. I think I was in Kumasi and then to Boga in 2017, and I'm Asempa Accra 2019. It's been quite fantastic. On set, baby, it's quite close an area to the area. No, you are moving thousands of students to Tudu. And as a security, no one colony movement, money idea. Sebon Sagani won't crunk it on the won't crunk as any crunk it or men can cross crunk it on any crunk as anti sabi. Udo bifi microm achimtachima another by and canturua. Also with me church and say, Ofa siya men fast no be ampi kufunti. I think security wise is quite excellent. What in also to China game organization officiating. Adeka Krebia any the fact of the Accra for protest, no. And I think is one only thing the application of the rules. And I associate myself with the pain Nipakona born a voice no kind. Me a part of the officials I lead the Accra Technical University would have wished that this thing didn't happen. Now LOC members ne competition chairman I will ask say Omefa Kwanbeso compensate Accra.
Okay.
Yes. I'll request Omefa Kwanbeso no compensate Accra because that error in the book which translated to is wrong application on the page no. We game one. You want fair play. And to be very honest, but they're also listening to us.
Yeah.
And man me count corner almost so far Kofi because Accra brought a very solid team. I watched them against Kumasi. And I felt say is either Accra or Sunyani and Kubeti Mesha or finality that where you led a group by goals and you ask to come and play penalties, the other team say won't play. Finally they played and lost. No, it's quite disappointing. I remember say en route the 2014 World Cup, France against Ireland. Henry didn't suffer Bobby Kotu Pomu. Emma Ireland for your protest Ekoma FIFA for compensate Ireland I think close to 5 million euros. So that Ireland withdrew the protest and allowed the game to flow. Benkase be a local organizing committee for Nkoma Accra Technical University for Sika. But it could be football, it could be donation, it could be JC, it could be a letter to show sportsmanship and admission of an error on that aspect. Young Ferdinand Tonche. What then also a few more from basketball. One other issue another taba the use of idea from YH players and competitors. Obo unko school. Na copper school ID card the amount of and a schools now no me guilty pa ni nkron kese mu schools no me modin but next time no from checks because if you check ID card check your passport check your driver's license
online cra
o say
and registration online
but next time no you weeding out some conform the watch players ni conform unko school nyina and these are very genuine students mo compete ko ba sa obu ho a ebia we class B runner but the coach will be if baby the na be shim into one chance are compete at our end here in KSTTU so ba Gatusa Gibbs na say uji golda a automatic scholarship full scholarship uji golda e ma full scholarship for a year.
Oh, okay.
And so ko for be e kofi ebia kofo dey betum no be tu meka MTT no be ji golda obu ansan ko be 2 year and ko be that opportunity to get gold na ko na be ji gold akwati na fi no be no a regular student at old school knows also an opportunity no when team so I think sir for this year's competition I've seen a group of people like competitors I have no doubt in my mind said a school for very genuine competitors from the various schools. That's also another good side of it. What the two in chance I think said officiating from today's athletics very fantastic. Or more officiating officials track stewards, the umpires and everything, well dressed, movement on the pitch, security, ya barricade baby until Obeshi Jama, you don't have the chance to move on to the foot. That is also quite good. And I feel so because the games in shall say 2 o'clock, it is 2. The next event in follow, it follows you. So I think general organization has been quite impressive. And to my team TTU, for football we are in the finals. We're hoping to play, I think, Kofodio on Saturday. That will climax the activities. For basketball, both men and women, we are SIL finals. And I'm promising Chairman, Madam say, 200 first and second. May show class record can follow. And the 200 guy will be first. We brutal French. And the other several events, the records don't come off head. But I think generally competition level so I did appealing say, you see, near what those 90s normally are there. I don't know when they finish secondary school. I finished in 1993. But if 89, 87, Ebasa, co-random time name, should be name, Solomon Megashi, Felix and Damonomni, co-random Ebano. These were times that were picking talent from the schools.
Exactly.
Talent. Mention one athlete in Ghana. I be a Koto Sebia also aboard here. I want to Chiman Jum. I didn't be to America. We have had them from schools. We have had almost all of them from schools. And the beauty is that Sir Osho Omo background, because economic background, when sports as a platform to showcase that talent. The person end up at a university either in US or in Europe. So you go and check. Andam, Amegashi, Omunina end up being in Europe. Ask yourself, say, can you sports platform na and come back? That is why at our end, last year, 45 students, full scholarship. And 16 half scholarship. Some of them have very deprived communities. As like when you that platform na and continue school. To boa, the grace any good. You need no money so you manage and let the person start from say a certificate program, graduate to HND, get to the BTech and then finish off with the masters. In Tibia, even at yesterday's last 2 days football match, and I think so we played against the semi-final was against forgotten the school. There were 2 universities in USA. They want our 2 players to go to study in university as a way of scholarship. Same way, we are also bringing people who are from deprived communities. You have an opportunity to be at the university, and it will play an effect on the life of sportsmen and how to groom that one to national level. And for now, in Kebenya, scout not only from outside or the media being present, but to be a development officer for National Sports Authority. So no, I am taking my team from NSA's office at the stadium.
Niger. Or say or Janko for a chum, yes,
why not buy? Why not buy?
Scouts no lady,
local organizing committee, local chairperson for Black Quincy, Evelyn Siasari. She's the only national figure, but she's even head of sports.
Yes, director of sports of Sunya Technical University.
Yes, but she came with her team.
Yes.
And I don't think any official role say or monitor or identify talent. I am very confident. Say the French guy now OD 200 meters first.
No, French Ghana.
No, his name is French.
Oh, okay.
French. I am confident. Says Zabuano, Ofano. Not say monitor because school this year we are coffee concrete no money you won't have time to develop his talent. Maybe 100 meters. Whether you are going for bullet start, crunch start, how you are taking off. So me and that Kevin, how do you move? How do you finish off? You understand? Your cake. Until you be a steady a development of talent now among the better facilities and guidance. But the next 2-3 years, we'll get a better Solomon Begashi or D 200 meters national winning national 200 meters in Ghana. By 1983, that was 92. By 1983, he was in the semi-finals of the World Championship. Just 1 year. Just 1 year. You might not to go and check. Oh, dear Ashanti Regional National. Even that is Lumba Nebusano. Lumba was Ashanti Regional triple jump and long jump champion. No, Koto Nudijaho. Ain't he? say
you baby ako baby
o say
you baby ako baby
kusia
say include us ye trafa ko ne ma say wrap up ne enko
yes it I feel say to make us and sports also bring a lot of people together. Wow, you can even get musicians from what we are doing. You can even get people who will not, because see and conform with their touchline or mushi jamene nyina, they develop certain bond. It can be social bond. Until after school no ABI you school no we call we about multimedia. You understand? But because about multimedia, wow, or to him Jamano I begin to rappel and rat sana fools and no, he can go to journalism, not part of multimedia. Another person pass through and go to maybe a Obama way. So if you are going to a program, you have developed that bond from Jamal group at school, say TTU. So when you are into industry, that bond flows. You think that why were we having so many Prempe people in President Kufuor's government?
Okay.
It's not because they were just maybe on school, but it also matters.
Yeah.
Yes, friendship bond goes with competence. So if you force, I had a friend named 200 Ewo Prempe, and I think that person has grown, developed, or going to sports or competence and knowledge. He's member of my party. Or a party.
Why don't I follow him?
Yes.
Okay.
And there are so many rippling effects that will affect even the growth and development of such persons. Yeah, I'm happy to say, of all the media outlets in Accra, multimedia has used Asempa as the stationer from time any program at all, or my dedicated in broadcasting and shooting and spraying everything. Yes, that is fantastic. And then you say, yes, but no, Gaba come by and say, over here take bits. Yes, we have been concerned. Your phone gave me a bamesa, Ubina, on the driver, and you use some of them. Yes, Obina get Bina carnage. They want to pick up. Now, when any gauge not can to me, no one, I'm sorry, now I no so report. There are so many benefits. There are so many benefits. I'm using the vast extension of your network to call all the media outlets to come and help broadcast the program. I think say Ghana, you know.
Okay. Unse nema ma nkofo enije dwumadi omudi ho no say recognize dwumadi omudi na mo ma ba so anka mo university games ya mo media for na ebo amona mo yes an hyehyɛ na unse academia sometimes ya na me ya say da no betra aka say man starting term because marketing sankofo ina afio ya de hye mo nsa from student level na mo enya friends say kakra fi ho a me sure say nke betua saboa a o hye mo into the system na bo ma ne metia ko but ni na no as mo bu mani go so to wache ana Ghana ho edontina ene as ya ton sande from briefly ne enko Michael
usual technical games
briefly
usual technical games and I say college games is mostly and I say prevalent in America.
Yeah.
Now usual American teams and I say the National League games are basketball, gymnastics, swimming. These are guys draft from the college games into Nyama say the Bagana. I think say annually every year we should have such games. From these such games we promote stars from there national level.
Yeah, free SHS yes I no boa almost na man school fees but they do games so as a sponsor.
Yes.
Corporate entities no so rest in the city we must so more population more constituency can see pa send na uti kan one be higher politicians from there no e catch up with them betua saboa sankofu ya betua san enter into administration so abegwa clubs no be hwe no na yankofu ya ekita teams no in terms of administration obo secretary banana acumen managing the game no
yes. Say your producers are athletes every school say but like you said na athletes and some better professional some will venture into management and the knowledge we gather from school they can impact this knowledge not only on the field but outside the field into Usher Michael Phelps, LeBron James, they are national stars for national events. Yeah. They are all drafted from the college. In the Nyama say, I think say it's very important. We should put more money into it. And yet say sponsor teams they are already at the top level. But if you want future for teams, if you want future for national team, it all starts from the grassroots, and the grassroots is the future for these teams. In the Abine and I say National Sports Authority. Most of the investment, or the chunk of the investment, you should go into grassroots football to say technical games, you sponsor them, get the raw talent from there, you develop them with proper development coaches. To the 200 French French boy, I can say
Raymond French.
Sir, or 200 meters. We sure at the time now 21.29.
And you're bad.
Sir, it's somewhere above, and I say it's close to world record. Olympic games. No? Most of the 200 meters on time na bang 21 points. And it's a good time. If he works with proper developmental coaches, he can make the grade. I bet my best 19 point VB. We need more of this.
This level, finally, then our capture 20 years or so.
The American say, multi TV, my idea. Many saw the Moya pa, if you say, ye nim wafi baby idea, who yan say, Mobam say, Mobaboy. I can't say Yamishram. Now, I had him say, me fear we're here. Nti mi debi ame an mabon continue mahwe se de ekoso ya mi shamo pa na de meka de ache amanfo nsoso ne se de minua kan sisi ya no wo fa nipa ne kakra bi na wo boa no na wo necha no na okwa nanim a eboa bebre me am ti we say me a former athlete but me pray me ntu mi ka bio enu ti na nza me ntu aso that be I entered into school because we are sports management and I'm a director of sports and my coach is super caliber of athletes after me some Cora my your friend saying my Smiths any the Wako Holland you cry Gaza it means Gaza only after me some football for so circle for me some and teacher say me no go tia can know me senior 3 times say odi many by 3 years and ye nim dia okay. So let me tell you. And the mechanic say, "Mo sports enko. Me can say mo de mo ye mo juma. Na so me tuma ban, and say me tuma wo mo say, o mo use sports say, e ya dia e din shira and say business e beba ye man. Bebre ni adwuma. Na wo de wo ko sports marketing, wo ko sports management, sports technology, wo de ko sports broadcast. Sanya me na wo ya. E bebu.
Okay. Okay. There is a Yamia Dumabia, final never quiet live commentary. It's a more immortality ja Juma Biona for the acquire reportina. It's a go for your own. Okay, so okay. It's no, I would say Mr. Prince Watt, KD Ananiasari, Chairman for Gatusa Tenka Committee, Head of Sports, Edema ATU, and Afe Mame Joyce Adwa upon Local Organizing Committee member ATU, Senior Lecturer, Fashion Department, Unim Tadia Pamse, and Afuki Kankuma, with TSC Women's and Secretaries for Air Sports Committee, Takrade Technical University, Onuye, Nidiuma, Sewadia Muka and Katenkwa Nidima, and our Tono. Yamiaduma, Evesa to us weddings, also be enough here, Sanema, ABC, Comrecia, na Abraham, Edekreka issues, Netia, Bamidin the Enoch, Kwesi, Walanyo, Wallace, a good year catch back with the only nomenclature, the Professor's Green Sports, the original Wallace, and I'm generally, of course, evidence based sports presentation, Timijao, a ready anti when you can see critical issues with Abraham coming up next.